What I'm getting to hear is that the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is also meeting ministers ahead of going to Delhi for a meeting. In fact, Yogi Adityanath is going to be here in the national capital. He is scheduled to be in the national capital at 5 in the evening. Now he's here meeting all the leaders as well. Sanjay Nishad, Jaiveer Singh, they have all reached 5 Kalidas mark. So a lot of action happening with the Chief Minister also meeting with the UP ministers. Siddhant joins us now for the very latest on this. You know, Siddhant, out of the 10 ministers who were in the fray, 7 union ministers and 2 state ministers from the BJP lost in Uttar Pradesh. Apart from ticket distribution, how did BJP lose the plot in Uttar Pradesh?
Well, look, you're absolutely right. In fact, I have one other stat to share with our viewers. 16 UP ministers have also lost their constituencies in this election. So situation is not very much in control of Bharatiya Janata Party, and this is perhaps the reason that since morning, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath started his day by taking a high-level meeting of officers from UP government. In fact, since he was going all across the state, he had feedbacks from the ground as far as the works of the state government and the schemes that are being run by the state government. So the review meeting took place. Then Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath conducted Janta Darbar at 5 Kalidas Marg, and now we are getting to know that inside 5 Kalidas Marg, where I'm reporting from, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is meeting his key ministers and senior leaders from Bharatiya Janata Party's state unit. In fact, we have been told that Sanjay Nishad has just gone inside. In fact, Jaiveer Singh is also inside, Subrat Pathak along with Jitin Prasad. They all have gone inside to meet Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. And this meeting is happening ahead of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath going to Delhi to attend the NDA meeting tomorrow. So at 5 p.m. Yogi Adityanath is going to reach Delhi. Ahead of that, he's meeting top bureaucrats of the state and also sitting ministers at 5 Kalidas Marg because UP's debacle is something which is perhaps has become talk of the town. In fact, everybody is talking about UP's debacle, what went wrong. Even the party leadership has also started talking about reasons that went against Bharatiya Janata Party. Some are talking about internal rift, some are talking about unemployment, some are talking about the non-Jatap Dalits not voted for Bharatiya Janata Party. So all these factors are being considered. So introspection is right now going on, perhaps at every stage, at every level. And at 5 KD also, these ministers are meeting Yogi Adityanath for the first time after results, and there is definitely going to be the discussion on what went wrong, especially Jaiveer Singh, who contested against Dimple Yadav, is also inside. Then Jitin Prasad, he won from Pilibhit, is also inside 5 KD.
Right.
And Sanjay Nishad, his son has lost election from Sant Kabir Nagar. So introspection is right now going on inside 5 KD.
Will it be more than introspection, Siddhant? Because, you know, everyone knows that the road to Delhi is through Uttar Pradesh. That's not lost on anyone. And one knows that Yogi Adityanath is a very tough administrator. What are you hearing from the ground? Will heads begin to roll?
Well, look, absolutely. Accountability will be fixed. This is what I'm getting to know. In fact, at Sangathan level also, there are a lot of letters that are being written by Karyakartas, district level officials of Bharatiya Janata Party, complaining about what went wrong, because there are a lot of stories being floated that there was internal rift on many constituencies. Then at the same time, we can also look at a possibility of reshuffle in the government here in Lucknow. So there could be a reshuffle that can take place because 16 sitting ministers in UP have lost their constituencies. Then we can also see reshuffle in the bureaucracy because जिसे कहते हैं ना कहीं तो चुनावी हार का जो ठीकरा है वो फोड़ना पड़ेगा. So we can expect reshuffle both in the government and in the bureaucracy in UP in days to come.
No, that's true. Understandably so, because this has been a big shocker for the BJP. The Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, as my colleague Siddhant was saying, is holding this very important meeting at his residence with all the officials. Now, what we are also getting to hear is that he has issued a very stern warning to the officials. Negligence in addressing common people's issues will not be tolerated. The Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath now cracking the whip, holding the Janta Darshan at his official residence, as Siddhant was just telling us. In fact, what we're getting to hear is that a significant number of complainants have also shared their grievances with the Chief Minister during this Janta Darshan. Siddhant, tell us a little bit more about this Janta Darshan that the Chief Minister held. Who was he meeting with, and what are these grievances that have come up to his notice?
Well, look, Janta Darshan is a very common practice that Yogi Adityanath usually conducts. Janta Darbar at his residence. He meets common people of the state, and perhaps that is his way of getting to know the feedback and the input from the ground. In fact, today's review meeting was also focused on what went wrong in the state, and also since Yogi Adityanath was going to each and every district for campaigning. So there was ground input which was available with him as far as the schemes of the government is concerned, what district is facing, what issues, and how those issues can be solved. So, today's meeting with the top babus, bureaucrats of his government was completely focused on the issues of Janta ke mudde, and also, to review the works that are being carried out and the schemes of the state and the center government. And in fact, post that meeting, he conducted Janta Darbar, and right now he's meeting senior ministers of his cabinet ahead of going to Delhi for crucial NDA meet. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Siddhant, for getting us the latest updates on these very crucial meetings that have been called by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh after witnessing that very embarrassing drubbing in the recently concluded Lok Sabha polls. A lot of political reactions have also come in. Let's just listen in.
संजय निषाद जी, ये जो बीजेपी का एक तरीके से वॉश आउट हुआ है उत्तर प्रदेश से, इसके पीछे किसको जिम्मेदार ठहराते हैं? क्योंकि बीजेपी के जो नेता हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि राजभर और संजय निषाद अपनी जाति के वोट बीजेपी में ट्रांसफर नहीं करा पाए, अपने खुद के बेटे को भी चुनाव नहीं जिता पाए, और जो ठीकरा है एक तरीके से वो आप लोगों पे फोड़ा जा रहा है।
अब इसका जवाब तो ही दे पाएंगे किस परिस्थिति में कहा। हम लोगों ने दिया, मेरे पास संत कबीरनगर में 2214 बूथ है, 500 में से 535 बूथ है, 505 पर मैं जीता हूँ। पूरे प्रदेश में मैं आज समीक्षा बैठक करूँ, जब हम अपने जानेंगे तब हम किसी दूसरे बयान के लिए, लेकिन हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी प्रधानमंत्री को तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए आया था, बनाया, धन्यवाद दूँ। कल जा रहा हूँ। बाकी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, निषाद पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, दोनों ने, पदाधिकारियों ने मेहनत की है और वोट लिया है। कुछ नैरेटिव सेट हुआ है।
क्या नैरेटिव सेट हुआ?
इन्होंने कुछ भय दिखाया आरक्षण और संविधान का, जिसकी वजह से नान जाटो जो वो एससी था वो मूव कर गया। तो जब किसी को भय दिखाएंगे, झूठ बोलेंगे, 8,500 हम फटाफट रुपया देंगे, तो कुछ ऐसे वोटर थे जो उधर से
तो समाजवादी कांग्रेस ने भय दिखाया
निश्चित रूप से, और वो हम जो विकास के कार्य थे उसको हम लोग थोड़ा सा धरातल पर समझाने में नाकामयाब रहे। आगे समीक्षा हो रही, जो कमी है उसे सुधार किया जाएगा, आगे फिर 2027 का जीत दर्ज किया जाएगा।
बीजेपी के कुछ लोग ये भी कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी में भी अंदरूनी कलह इतना ज्यादा था, वो भी उसका एक कारण हो सकता है। आपको क्या लगता है?
कहाँ रहा होगा, हम तो उसके बारे में नहीं कुछ कह सकते, लेकिन हमारे लिए तो बीजेपी ने साथ दिया और हमारे लिए बीजेपी खड़ी रही और हर जगह बूथों पर खड़ी रही।